נוסעים בעיניך כבלים אלפי מנהיגים בנחבת פרטרן ואת פרטרן Vart verdrängt in a wart Land und weis du mit mir bekommt und a Futter in una Mittag und Wirklichkeit sich ist mir bitter Holy wood in Feldarangi Efter välig du Mein Holy wood in Feldarangi Efter välig du Ich bin im Feld, so lang gestohlen, nur kein Heim hat sich mir nicht verloren. Nur ob ich im Feld gesehen, auf mein Mittagskäfer, wer besteht. Nur ob ich im Feld gesehen, auf mein Mittagskäfer, wer besteht. Oi, Werbe, Werbe, du wachst dich auf, ins Isel nehmen, das auf. Gemalt wird mein Mittag stehen, und sie wird mir wissen, mein Weg zu gehen. Gemalt wird mein Mittag stehen, und sie wird mir wissen, der Weg zu gehen. Goldige Wort, mein Kind aufstehen, in Wasen dir dein Weg zu gehen. Nur die marzelische Steine um mir zu beruchen meine Beine.
I want to tell a story how I sang this song in NYU 5 years ago, and our friend and colleague from Canada, Jeff Berner, was at the performance, and I also sang the English translation that was probably lame, or maybe the song is just completely untranslatable into other language, like many songs are. That doesn't sense. So at some point Jeff started laughing because he thought, he was sure, as he later told me, he was pretty sure it was a parody. And everybody laughed. They were infected by Jeff's mood, his joyousness, and everybody laughed, and I also laughed. I was laughing, I burst into laughter, and since then I almost never sang the English translation of the song, and almost never sang the Yiddish original of the song, except for now, like until now, when it's come back to my repertoire, together with Paulina, this project. And I also want to sing my song that I wrote by my own, and Jeff Berner also sings this. It happened that I wrote the song in Detroit, the home of Jeff's and my mutual friend and colleague, and Paulina's mutual friend and colleague, Daniel Kahn. And we later traveled with Daniel in Torun, Poland, where Nicholas Copernicus was born. And during the breakfast in Torun, we discussed the complete untranslatability of the song into English. And the conversation finally ended up in us finally untranslating it into some kind of beautiful new brand Limerick style original. It's a weird case. The original was written after the translation. And Jeff also sings it, so I'm gonna sing the song. In English it's called Lady Diana. There was a young Lady Diana. She loved a guy from Indiana. And there was a lady named Hannah, and she loved a guy from Montana. There was a young lady named Marian, and she loved an octogenarian. And there was a lady named Pearl, and she was in love with obviously with a squirrel. What does it mean? What does it mean? What does the song really mean? The song's about love, the song's about fate, the song is about you and me. What does it mean? What does it mean? What could it possibly mean? The song's about love, the song's about fate, the song is about you and me. There was a young lady named Terry, and she used to love the Tooth Fairy. And there was a lady named Lauren, and she was in love with a moron. There was a young lady named Nana, and she loved a young entertainer. And there was a lady named Lena, and she loved an old vacuum cleaner. What does it mean? What does it mean? What does the song really mean? The song's about dreams, the song's about grace, the song is about good old days. What does it mean? What does it mean? What could it possibly mean? The song's about dreams, the song's about grace, the song is about foolish ways. There was a young lady named Annabelle, and she was in love with a cannibal, exactly. And there was a small guy named Sue, and he loved the cannibal too. There was a young lady named Susan, and she was in love with her cousin, or probably with her booze. And there was a lady named Annie, and she used to love Susan's granny. What does it mean? What does it mean? What does the song really mean? A prodigal soul, a Calvary road, a place where we all have to go. What does it mean? What does it mean? What could it possibly mean? A funeral pyre, an eternal fire, and those who are weeping for me. О старых друзьях и подругах, о дальних краях и разлуках, о долгих объятиях нежных, о горьких слезах безутешных, о нашей смиренной юдоли, о нашей мучительной боли, о нашей железной дороге, о нашем неведомом Боге. The song of our friends and relations, of distances and separations, the song of our tender embraces and sad, bitter tears on our faces, a song of our torments and pains, of an ending long distance strains, of this sorrowful place we call home, of our God who is truly unknown, a song of our love, of our destiny, a song about you, about me, a song of our dreams, a song of our grace, a song of our pitiful ways, a song of our soul, of our of a place where we all gotta be. The list of our names, the infernal flames, and those who are weeping for me.
So we're going to send you on a break in 5 minutes, on a short break, because we need a drink, I guess. I certainly do. So the last song in this set is about a journey. It's about a journey to, I guess, going back home. So I say goodbye to my friends, they hug me and they send me on a journey. The paths are untrodden, the journey is unknown, and I have heavy weight on my shoulders. I throw it off. I miss the lightness so much. Step by step, I get used to my journey. Quite easily I get there, and everything seems so familiar. I stay there for a while, and I start my journey back after giving a wink to God. Greet me, meet me, my friends, I'm back. I live. Эх, да отправляли меня подруженьки в дальний-дальний путь. Ой, все обнимали, надеялись, доберусь я как-нибудь. Ой, все обнимали, надеялись, доберусь я как-нибудь. То дорога-то ветвистая, то нехоженные пути. Привыкаю шаг за шагом, дальше легче мне идти. Привыкаю шаг за шагом, дальше легче мне идти. Груза ворох на плечах своих я несла, да научилась. Сброшу тяжесть, будь что будет, и я по легкости соскучилась. Сброшу тяжесть, будь что будет, я по легкости соскучилась. Доберусь легко и радостно, погощу немного дома. Много лет я не наведывалась, так все мило и знакомо. Много лет все мило и знакомо. Подмигну с улыбкой Боженьке, и в обратный путь пойду. Вы встречаете меня, милые, я вернулась. Вы встречаете меня, милые, я вернулась. to Britain, I realized we have to have a commercial break. So yes.
Non-commercial.
Non-commercial.
Non-commercial break.
Elder, willkommen sein Elter, willkommen sein Elter, a Viertel an Altins, a Skriken, der Schriken, a Stjach, a Verschneiter, und ich bin inmitten von unten, in einzigen Winkel, in Blassen, noch lächeln sich treuerig kliende Passen, von vorn verspreit sich ein Midbar, a Weißer, und weit dort zu seht ist a zähnlicher Heiser. Dort drämmelt a Futter versunkenen Schnee, zum jüdischen Heisel viel Stäschkelach gehen, a Heisel wie alle, nur größer die Fenster, und zwischen die Kinder dort bin ich der Wälster. Und eng ist mein Weltel, und klein ist mein Rädel, 2 Wochen einmal vom oberen Städtel, und wenn ich schweigen von Felder, von Breite, von Wegen und Wege verschneite, und Drogen in Harzen, verborgen von Säulen, was warten und warten auf Seelen, in der Wiene von Nacht, nach russische du keinen sein Eltern, du keinen sein
He's gone, right? He left me on my own. And the next song is in Russian. So how many Russian speakers do we have here? Hello? Russia, Mother Russia. Петь или не петь? Pete? Okay, he's saying I should sing it. So I'm going to quickly translate it. It's about traveling the world and on buses, trains, airplanes, and looking at our Mother Earth, our petrol enveloped Mother Earth. And not playing people's games like watching television, trusting the news or bank accounts. And that's really like what my life is. В сером небе, низком небе самолеты носятся, носятся. Птица в клетке на свободу просится, просится, просится. Люди правила сочиняют и по жизни носятся, носятся. Деньги, бизнес, пред друзьями непросто лозятся. А я по самолетам, поездам, по континентам, городам, пою, играю, сильно не грустя. Да я не верю теленовостям, рекламе, банковским счетам, играйте, люди, только без меня. Все вокруг себя хотим мы подчинить цивилизации, и все дальше от истоков нас уносит глобализация. Я лечу по небу синему, в темном бензиновом автобусе, и смотрю печально на мой домик, называемый глобусом. А я по самолетам, поездам, по континентам, городам, пою, играю, сильно не грустя. Да я не верю теленовостям, рекламе, банковским счетам, играйте, люди, только без меня. Я да on tomorrow. Oh yeah.
Oh, you're ready for some kind of a Soviet thing now. We were at the conference that Martin mentioned, mediating Cold War, and we incorporated the next song into our repertoire there. It's translated into English by Misha, Mike Leon, my son, who spent his childhood in LA and learned English here, actually, in the city. So, you know, it's a Soviet song. It's a didactically anti-capitalist Soviet-Italian song about a homeless, lonely guy who wants macaroni. Горячий macaroni. For those who speak Russian and remembers this, you cordially invited to sing along. Я мальчишка беспризорный, босиком брожу по свету в лавках, где есть товаров горы, а в карманах денег нету. I'm a homeless, lonely guy. I'm traveling the world. There is a lot of things to buy, but I'm so obscenely poor. Oh, I wish a portly fellow offered me some millioni. I would trade them all, I tell you, for a plate of hot macaroni. Если только толстый дядя подарил мне миллионы, я бы отдал их, не глядя, за горячие макароны. Макароны — это чудо, вроде песни, вроде танца. В мире нет чудесней блюда для любого итальянца. Macaroni is astounding, it's like dancing, it's like music. It will make the heart a pounding for every Italian music. Away with the porky fellow, offer me some millioni. I would trade them all, I tell you, for a plate of hot macaroni. Если только толстый дядя подарил мне миллионы, я бы отдал их, не глядя, за горячие макарони. Я бы в море плавал смело, я зерна грузил бы тонны, я бы все на свете сделал за горячие макарони. I would cross a stormy ocean, I would load and break my pony, I would go through any motion for a plate of hot macaroni. Oh, I wish a portly fellow offered me some millioni. I would trade them bella bella for a plate of hot macaroni. Если только толстый дядя подарил мне миллионы, я бы отдал их, не глядя, за горячие макарони. Как положишь их в тарелку, как посыпешь сыром густо, то выел бы, это вкусно, очень вкусно. If you put it on the plate and you cover it with cheeses, then you eat it, it's so great. Macaroni is what pleases. Oh, I wish a portly fellow offered this a million. I would trade them all, I tell you, for a plate of hot macaroni. Если только толстый дядя подарил мне миллион, я бы отдал их, не глядя, за горячие макарони. Для вас я тарантеллу возле мраморной колонны. Дайте мне за это тело вы горячие макароны. I have sung a tarantella, you recorded on iPhone. Now we want the mozzarella on a plate of macaroni. Oh, I wish a portly fellow offered me some millioni. I would trade them bella bella for a plate of macaroni. Если только толстый дядя подарил мне миллион, я бы отдал их, не глядя, за горячие макароны. It's from Uroki Pienia, from our music lessons. I'm a Soviet kid. We both are.
Okay, so there is a show here at 9 o'clock, so we have to circumcise our program a bit so we can fit.
Circumcised just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
You know?
So the next song is the most depressive, the most, we say, all the nervous people have to leave the room.
It's a depressionist song. There are many styles like that in modernity. Impressionism, expressionism, and there was also depressionism.
So I guess we have to circumcise the depression a bit. But
Yes.
let's see how we feel.
It's from Moshe Kulbak.
Oh, the most depressive Yiddish poet of all times. Isn't he?
Yes. It's a depressionist song. I'm going everywhere, I'm traveling around, and everything is empty and cold. And it's sad and dark. Brr, the bird is spelled. It's part of the poem. It's spelled like this, from right to the left. As well as everything else in the poem, actually. It's in Yiddish.
And we mixed it
Either
with some,
letters.
we mixed it with some Russian proverbs.
The proverbs collected by Vladimir Dad, who invested a lot into anti-Jewish blood libel, but this is not what we're longing for.
Don't cry.